Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your data in the Pinterest app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some pins which we can save and maybe search for more relevant images. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we tap on account management, and then at the very bottom we find delete your data and account. And here the app is going to prompt us if we are sure about this decision, that we want to delete our account, and we can just tap on continue to continue on with this decision. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.